Let's be honest, you can spend a fortune on high-end fixtures and designer vanities, but if your walls are left in a sterile white, that luxury will feel flat. Without the right touch of colour, even the finest decor loses its soul. As we enter 2026, colour trends have shifted. They are no longer just an afterthought, but the primary element capable of transforming a bathroom into a beautiful, calming sanctuary. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 bathroom paint colours that are bringing a new dimension to interior design. These colours were curated not just for their visual aesthetics, but for their ability to provide a strong character and long-term emotional investment for your home. If you're ready to turn your bathroom walls into a timeless, soulful masterpiece, let's begin the journey. Colour number 1, Sea Mariner by Sherwin-Williams. Deep, ocean-inspired blues are emerging as a defining trend for 2026, and Sea Mariner captures this movement beautifully. This is not a conventional navy. It carries a refined coolness that feels grounded, architectural, and undeniably sophisticated. Applied to bathroom walls, it creates a sense of intimacy and privacy, turning an everyday space into a personal retreat. What makes Sea Mariner especially compelling is how it absorbs light with a velvety softness rather than harsh darkness. When paired with polished brass or champagne gold hardware, the contrast feels intentional and elevated. The result is a jewelry box bathroom, rich, composed, and timelessly elegant. Colour number 2, Broccoli Brown by Farrow Ball. Earth-forward neutrals with subtle green undertones are gaining momentum in 2026 as homeowners seek warmth and authenticity over cold minimalism. Broccoli brown is a perfect example of this shift. Beneath its restrained brown surface lies a muted olive nuance that gives the color life and depth. This shade excels as a grounding foundation. It enhances natural materials such as stone, aged wood, and unlacquered metals, making them appear richer and more intentional. With its quiet, heritage-inspired character, Broccoli Brown brings a sense of history and soulful comfort to modern bathrooms, without feeling heavy or dated. Colour number 3, Mellow Flow by Dulux. Wellness-driven design continues to influence 2026 color trends, and Mellow Flow answers that call with gentle optimism. This soft, low-saturation yellow evokes the warmth of early morning light filtered through mist. It brightens a space without overwhelming it, making it especially effective in bathrooms with limited natural light. Rather than feeling playful or loud, Mellow Flow is calm and restorative. It creates an uplifting atmosphere that feels fresh and clean, ideal for daily rituals. Paired with crisp white textiles and light wood accents, it delivers a spa-like environment that feels both modern and timeless. Card number 4, Redend Point by Sherwin-Williams. Redend Point represents the continued rise of emotional neutrals in 2026. Sitting between dusty blush, warm clay, and soft terracotta, this shade feels deeply human and comforting. It introduces warmth without excess, making it an ideal alternative to traditional beige or grey. In a bathroom setting, Redend Point softens hard surfaces like tile and stone, creating a welcoming and balanced atmosphere. Its subtle warmth encourages relaxation, making the space feel like a personal sanctuary rather than a purely functional room. Minimalist in appearance, yet rich in feeling, this color offers long-term emotional appeal. Color number 5, French Grey by Farrow Ball. French Grey reflects a growing appreciation for nuanced, adaptable colors in 2026 interiors. This sophisticated shade balances green and grey so delicately that it changes character throughout the day. In natural daylight, it leans fresh and botanical. Under warm evening lighting, it deepens into a moody, elegant grey. Inspired by historic French interiors, French Grey brings quiet luxury and timeless charm to the bathroom. It's an excellent choice for those who want a space that feels alive and responsive, offering subtle shifts in mood rather than a static aesthetic. Color number 6, Terra Mauve by Benjamin Moore. The quiet luxury movement continues to shape 2026 design, and Terra Mauve embodies this philosophy perfectly. This deep, desaturated sienna carries a subtle mauve undertone that adds mystery and refinement. It's a color that embraces shadow rather than brightness, creating a calm, meditative atmosphere. Used in a bathroom, Terra Mauve transforms the space into a high-end retreat. It pairs beautifully with dark marble, walnut cabinetry, and ambient lighting, reinforcing a sense of exclusivity and depth. This is a color for those who value introspection, stillness, and understated sophistication. Color number 7, Mushroom by Sherwin-Williams. Mushroom represents the evolved form of greige, one that feels warmer, richer, and more intentional for 2026. With balanced brown undertones, it offers stability without heaviness, making it one of the most versatile neutrals for bathroom design. Its greatest strength lies in consistency. Mushroom performs beautifully under varied lighting conditions, maintaining its integrity throughout the day. It allows fixtures, textures, and finishes to shine while quietly anchoring the space. Modern yet timeless, it's an ideal choice for homeowners seeking longevity over trend cycles. Color number 8, Sugarplum by Benjamin Moore. Muted pastels are making a refined comeback in 2026, and Sugarplum leads this trend with elegance. This soft, dusty purple is balanced with grey undertones, ensuring it never feels overly sweet or juvenile. Instead, it feels calm, airy, and emotionally soothing. Sugarplum adds personality without visual weight, making it an excellent option for powder rooms or guest bathrooms. It introduces a gentle sense of luxury and thoughtfulness, subtle, unexpected, and welcoming. Color number 9, Urban Nature by Behr. As urban living continues to evolve, colors that reconnect interiors with nature are becoming essential. Urban Nature blends soft grey with a botanical green influence, creating a modern sage tone that feels grounded and intentional. This shade neutralizes the coldness of porcelain and chrome while adding warmth and balance. In 2026, it speaks to a lifestyle that values simplicity without sterility, a bathroom that feels calm, purposeful, and quietly restorative. Color number 10, Sunrise Over Tahiti by Valspar. Rounding out the 2026 palette is Sunrise Over Tahiti, a muted mauve infused with grey that feels poetic and atmospheric. Its low saturation and enveloping quality create an intimate mood without overwhelming small spaces. This color is deeply emotional, ideal for those who view bathing as a ritual rather than a routine. It encourages reflection and calm, leaving a lasting impression of softness and depth. As a closing note to this palette, Sunrise Over Tahiti embodies everything 2026 stands for: restraint, emotion, and timeless beauty. Believe me, the power of the right color is often the single most transformative element in a room. Choosing a palette is about more than just aesthetics. It's about how you want to feel every time you step into your bathroom to start your day. After seeing the list above, which color number truly captured your imagination and made you want to bring it into your own home? I'm genuinely curious to see which trends are resonating most this year, so please share your favorites in the comments below. Perhaps you're still feeling a bit uncertain about how to pair these bold new shades with your existing vanity, tiles, or fixtures. Don't let indecision hold back your dream transformation. Drop your design dilemmas in the comments, whether it's about matching cabinet finishes or floor textures, and I would be more than happy to provide personalized styling advice. Let's find the perfect, most harmonious combination to give your home the character it deserves.